Good morning, children. Yes, yesterday we have started the grammar making words, right? Let that be aside. That we will continue in our next class. Today, children, we will complete the vegetable parade portion, right? We had left behind. We didn't completed it. So today we will complete the first this complete chapter. Then the making words we will continue in our next class. Okay? All of you open your textbook, page number 17. In that page, we will write today true or false. Okay? That is all about the lesson, the vegetable parade. Okay? We will see the true and false. We will complete the page number 18 and 19. Then in our next class, we will continue the grammar part. Okay? And children, as tomorrow you are going to write the first weekly test. Right? All the best for your test. Already you have received the portion copy. So that you have to buy at the portion. Whatever I have given in the portion, that much only you have to read and by heart. Okay? So let us complete the portion of the lesson, the vegetable parade. Okay? I will write the questions, we will read them, then we will say whether the lines are true or false. Okay? All of you open your notebooks and textbook. See children, say true or false. We have to read the sentence and whether it is a true or false we have to write it. Children visited the farm with their parents. Children visited the farm with their parents? No. They came on bicycle and those they live the nearby. They came by walk and those are far. They were dropped the children there with the parents. Right? So this is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Next. The younger children rode the ponies. No. The younger children they petted the ponies. So the second one is also false. Right? Third one. Children had decided to eat all the vegetables when they left the farm. When they left the farm, they already decided to eat all the vegetables. True, right? Yes. The third answer is true. Next, the animals had prepared a show for the children. Yes? Does the animal prepare the shows? No. Vegetables prepared a show for the children. So, we have to write this as false. This is a false statement. Right, children? Children visited the farm with their parents. False. The younger children rode the ponies. False. They petted the ponies. Children had decided to eat all the vegetables when they left the farm. True. The animals had prepared a show for the children. False. Because vegetables had prepared a show. Right? So children, copy this, write one time. Now let us complete the portion. Page number 18. Okay? All of you, open your page number 18. You have to complete. Okay? This is your homework. You have to complete page number 18 and 19. Okay, children? Let us open and complete the lesson. See, children? Name of the village where the story set is? It is Mary Brook. Right? Name of the farmer? Jaws. Name of the gardener, Mr. Green. Next, children visited the farm. False. The angry children rode the ponies. False. Children had decided to eat all the vegetables. True. When they left the farm. This is true. The animals had prepared a show for the children. False. The animals did not prepare a show. The vegetables had prepared the show. Right? Turn the page. See children, this is very interesting. You have to keep in your mind. These vegetables grow under the ground. Name them. Which vegetable is this? It grows under the ground. See, assume this is the ground, upper side, and this is the mud. All the vegetables, they, yes, grow in the mud, below the ground, under the ground. The first vegetable is potato. This is carrot. And this is turnip. Right? This vegetable is turnip. And this is radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. And this is beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. Right? Potato, carrot, turnip, radish, beetroot. Now children, let us write the answers for these questions. Name 3 vegetables that can be eaten raw. You can eat carrot raw, right? Carrot as a raw you can eat without cooking. And tomato you can eat. Tomato is a vegetable. And you can eat radish also without cooked. R-A-D-I-S-H. Right? The next question. Name 3 vegetables that have to be cooked. That have to be cooked before eating. Yes. 3 vegetables which we can eat. We have to cook them. We can write the potato. Potato we have to cook it. Raw we cannot eat. Next we have to cook brinjal. We should not eat brinjal as raw. We have to cook that. Then which vegetable? We have to cook drumstick. D-R-U-M-S-T-I-C-K. Drumstick. We have to cook them, then we can eat. Name 3 vegetables, each of a different color. Yes, we can write here. Tomato is red in color. Next children, carrot is in orange. Right? And spinach is in green in color. Right? 3 different colors. Tomato, red. Carrot, orange. Spinach, green. Next, Poppy is very fond of this vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Fairy godmother turned this vegetable into a chariot for Cinderella. Which is this? Very good. This is pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Right? So children, complete this. Next, there is a question. Draw a picture of one vegetable you like and one that you don't like. You have to draw here one vegetable which you like and did not like. Which vegetable you don't like, you have to draw it here. Okay. Now come to the next page. Before that, pause the video and complete this questions. Next children, come to the next page. See, match the right. You have to match the right boxes according to the color. See, yellow is on top, yellow is on top. Blue is on front, blue is front. Red is side, red is side. So, see the pictures and match the correct boxes. Okay, one more, let us see. See, these two colors are same. These two boxes are same. This and this box is same. And this box and this box is same. This is little bit confused. Just see the three colors and match with the correct box. Okay. Next, sound of double O. Look at the pictures in each row. Say their names aloud. One picture has a double O sound in it. Circle the picture, write its name. Example, this is nail, spoon, fork. So spoon has double O word. So we have circled it. See the next, gate, microwave and moon. So we have double O word in moon. Right children? The double O words we have in moon. Next, rat, kangaroo and monkey. Right? We have double O word in kangaroo. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Next, pool, bell, cup, or we can say tea. So here we have the word pool. Double E words, we have to circle the object or things. We have to write it here. Pool, it has double O words. Next, leaf, balloon, house. So we have double O word in balloon. BALLOON, balloon. Right children? Copy this and complete the work. Okay, all the best for your test. Tomorrow's test we have to practice all the portion. Bye children, take care.